Alright, man. Short day today. Had a soccer tournament and didn't really feel like doing much. Got a little bit of shit done. Used the Baby Wrath sticker. I like that. Hit. Put the front number plate on. I am nuts. 832. Little tiny frickin' Allens with rubber washers. Little flat washers and lock nuts on the back. All them little bags at Lowe's. $8. Eight, $8. Put 2 little bolts in, but that's how crazy we do things around here. Alright. I don't know. Got these little shields on. Got the shocks on. Got the stickers on the shocks. Cans come out nice. Got the new covers. Oh yeah. That's all we did, huh? Put these on. I played around and put this bushing in here. New bushing I got from Honda. Oh yeah. Shocks look sweet. Oh yeah, front end's starting to look really nice. Pulled the graphics out to get that out. I forgot how hot the graphics are from Ernie. This thing's gonna look sweet. The purple and the yellow. And the hat, that's gonna look nice. Alright. That's enough. We'll get on it tomorrow. Should be done tomorrow, waiting for the motor, I guess. Wiring harness, master cylinders, handlebars. I'm waiting on the calipers. That's it. I told you. There's the 2 little screws for this. He wanted them black. He painted them black. Oh boy. Hey Joe, where you going with that gun in your hand? Alright, man. Not much of an update, but a little bit. Yeah, this thing is gonna look sweet. Later.